He's Crafty.
Hi, and welcome to He's Crafty.
That's great.
That's good.
That's good. To celebrate its 40th anniversary, today we're going to do a prop based on the movie Basket Case.
Basket Case is the 1982 classic directed by Frank Henenlotter. It's the story of Dwayne and his conjoined twin brother Belial, who are out for revenge against their father and the doctors that separated them, and threw Belial in the trash behind the house, yo. Like, for real, who does that?
You dick.
Let's go ahead and attempt to make a Belial prop.
Basket Case. So why don't... Wait, hear me out. Why don't we use the song Basket Case by Green Day?
We can't do that, bro.
Why?
Because we'll get the copyright strike. We can't use their music.
Okay, all right, fair enough. I have an even better idea. Even better idea.
We were gonna use that one Green Day song. Then we realized we couldn't afford the rights. And yeah, just from my right.
Bro, what the hell was that?
Yeah, but about time when I'm home.
Okay, hold on.
What are you doing, dude? What is that? What the hell are you doing?
I'm recording our song, you know? Green Day.
Yeah, but you can't understand what the hell you're saying. We need people to understand these words. It's a step-by-step video, bro.
No, you don't understand, man. You don't understand. This is punk rock, man. You just don't understand.
All right, I'm going to tell you what. Just go ahead. Why don't you take a time out? You go in the corner. I'll handle this. I got it from here, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and go over there, Sum 41. I got it from here.
All right, let's try it again. Here's what we used for this project. Some modeling foam, a foam head, some eyeballs, moldable plastic, packaging tape, and of course spray foam, because I'll take a sponsorship grade stuff, and probably some other stuff that we forgot too, but we'll mention that along the way. Let's start with our styrofoam head. We're going to carve out the eyes and replace them with the fake eyeballs. Creepy looking bastard. Next, it's on to our modeling foam to sculpt the facial features of our boy Belial. I used about 6 tubs of this modeling foam in total. We made the teeth out of moldable plastic. These are tiny plastic pellets that when you drop them in hot water, they become a gelatinous plastic blob that can be shaped and molded. And I'm not gonna lie, I waited a long time in life to use the word gelatinous. Allow them to dry and they become solid plastic again, yo. Alright, so after you're done sculpting the mouth, just go ahead and remove the teeth. We'll put them back after this whole thing is painted. And now we just keep sculpting the rest. If you've never used modeling foam before, it feels like dough. Like just straight up dough. Like you're making a pizza. So after the styrofoam head was covered in the modeling foam and before the modeling foam dried, I injected sections of it with spray foam to give it that deformed look. Did I mention about a sponsorship from Great Stuff? I'm just saying. While that spray foam was drying, I took some packaging tape and I made a cast in my hand, making it look like one of Belial's monstrous nubs. Then I filled it with spray foam and we're gonna let that dry. Looks like our head is dry and ready to go. Next we took a sheet of foam board, cut out a section for the head to rest in, stuck a few random boxes underneath it to elevate it. Now I'm going to spray foam along the sides of the head to give it its deformed body. What up, bro? Once it's dry, we're just going to peel the entire thing off the foam board. Now we're going to take chunks of modeling foam and roll them out. Just start layering them over the top of the spray foam. We just keep rolling them out, just like dough, until all that spray foam is covered. So any of the gaps here, gonna cover that with more modeling foam, which we can sand down later after it dries. Looking pretty sweet right now. Let's move on, and we're gonna do the same thing with our monstrous hand here. Just Keep rolling out sections of foam and covering that sucker. Once you got it fully covered, set it aside to dry. We're going to work on making those nails of Belial's. Them nasty nails. We went back to the moldable plastic and made these babies. So once they're dry, I'm going to use some super glue here just to attach them onto our hand. Hold them into place with some painter's tape while that glue dries. Once it is dried, I layered some more modeling foam around the nails to blend them in. So you're set, all the foam is dry. Now we can go ahead and sand down any of the sections of the dried foam to smooth it out. Alright, so let's attach the hand using this small metal rod and the hot glue gat. Okay, once you got it in place and dried, I'm going to blend it in with some more modeling foam, sand that down, and smooth it out. Once our boy is looking all dry, it's time to paint. Used a couple different shades of peach for the main body here. A sun-kissed peach and some other kind of peach. Just go ahead and get all them little details around the eyes and everything. Now once this whole main section is painted, I took some more peach, mixed it with this gross toffee color and some scarlet to give it a little fleshier tone across the top. A little dry brush action here. Took some black to fill in all these details. Finished out the gum line, and once that was done, I'm going to take this bloodbath material, go ahead and get it all around the mouth. Use the peach and the ugly toffee color to kind of darken in around his lips. Final step, I'm going to spray it with this gloss finish. Yeah, I wanted to stain the teeth, so I probably should have just used a cup of hot coffee like this in the first place. My bad. Once those babies are dry, we're going to replace them. We're going to hit them with some bloodbath for a gory effect. Let's add a little coffee to stain the nails and some bloodbath on top. Of course, it wouldn't be a basket case prop without the basket. And I had a great idea.
Hey, you know what I thought would be cool? Is if we can get this prop to, like, jump out of the basket. Like, jump out of it like one of those scare props. Like,
Yeah, those always work great. They always scare the crap out of me. You're gonna make like a new pneumatic, right?
no, bro. I'm gonna use this jumping spider prop.
Yeah!
Donated to me by my friend Chris from Decompositions Corpse Creations. Thanks, bro.
No problem, man. Cheers.
This right here, this is gonna be really sweet, dude.
Yeah, I mean, this would have been dope. This would have been super dope. The only thing is I broke it. I broke the prop. I broke the jumping spider.
Really?
Yes, I broke it.
You broke it?
Yeah, I broke it, but I think I can fix it, bro. I can fix it. I don't think I can fix it. I already tried fixing it for like a month, and it would have been dope, but I broke it. I broke the shit.
Yeah, sure, I broke it. But in the spirit of getting as much content out of one project as possible, I'm going to shoot another video where I fix that thing. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and take this flange, stick it in the basket, get that secure down in there, take a piece of 3/4-inch PVC pipe and stick it in our bottom of our boy Belial, and go ahead and just mount him in this basket. And there he is in all his glory. We won't throw you out in the garbage, bro. We won't throw you out. All in all, this project probably took way longer than it had to, but hey, I'm happy with the final result. I think he looks dope.
That about wraps it up for this episode of He's Crafty. Join us next time when we do a prop inspired by the film
Street Trash! Made in 87! Street Trash. He's crafty! Yan man a smell of my man, yan at how. Yan man a man of my man, yan a smell of